Surat al-Balad, chapter of the land. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, I swear not by this land, and thou art a free man in this land, and by parentage and offspring, verily we have created man in trouble. Does he think that no one will have power over him? He says, I have wasted wealth untold. Does he think that no one has seen him? Have we not given him 2 eyes, a tongue, and 2 lips, and have guided him to the 2 paths? But he has not attempted the steep. What has let thee know? What is the steep? Setting free a bondman, or feeding on a day of famine, an orphan of kin, or a destitute person downtrodden, and then has become one of those who have believed and who counsel each other to endurance and to compassion. These are the fellows of the right hand. But those who have disbelieved in our signs, they are the fellows of the left hand. Over them is a fire closed in. And there's different descriptions of the paradise and the hellfire. But we got to admit we live in a binary world. That doesn't mean that there's not differences on the different sides of this, that, and the other. And there definitely is. There's different parts. You know,